Wood in Railway Remakes and Reviews. These are my Henry lines for your adventure begins, read-up. So, here you go. Oh! Faster, faster! Oh! Turn! Hello, Thomas? Yes, Thomas, I did. I don't know, Thomas. I can't explain it. I just am, and I don't like being teased about it. I don't worry all the time, Thomas. I hardly worry at all when it's sunny. You take the train, Thomas. You like pulling trains. Well, I have to stay in my shed, Thomas. It's raining a lot. Like I put in my boiler. Hee. Hee. Only water. Ha. Congratulations, Thomas. Ha. Okay, those are my Henry lines for you, and I hope you like them.